Model, 67-plate Volkswagen Crafter County Route 35 long wheelbase, diesel front-wheel drive 2.0 TDI 102PS Startline high-roof van. Euro 6. Open-mouth smile. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 101,803. MOT, the 22nd of November 2024. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0 TDI 102PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Intermittent single injector misfiring. Also the alternator needs replacing, battery light is on, gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. This still drives really good just on idle. There is a misfire which is definitely an injector grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, 0 former keepers, electric